This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Beth Robinson. New construction. 1,311 square feet ranch over a full unfinished basement will soon be built in the newest phase of Greenbriar Meadows. This beautiful new home will include a vaulted ceiling, split bedroom floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The kitchen, dining room and living room are all open, offering plenty of family space. A 10 by 10 deck is off the dining room. The master suite includes a generous walk-in closet, marble vanity and a walk-in shower. The huge unfinished basement offers endless opportunities to personalize your own needs. The basement is plumbed for a full bath. All lots have access to Smithville Fiber Optics, Comcast Cable, Vectren Natural Gas, Ellettsville Water and Sewer and REMC electric service. Inquire soon and you can customize.